Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your man Timothy, Live Purposefully. I just got through talking to one of my spiritual mentors, and she was sharing this dream that she had about she was up preaching and she couldn't hear. And then she walked down and she began to ask the congregation, did they hear anything? And they said, yeah, I hear you because you're still talking. After she did further review on the dream, she said that God told her that you need to stop listening to yourself and hear me. I just want to encourage somebody today to get in the presence of God and hear what God is saying to you. Quit listening to what everybody else is telling you to do. Quit listening to what everybody else suggests, but listen to what the Spirit of God is telling you to do. That is the only way we're going to be able to live purpose fully. See, people get in the way of what God is saying, and then it detours you from living purpose fully. But if we just listen to what God says, then we don't have to worry about getting off track. We'll be on track because the only voice we hear is the Spirit of the living God. So today, I just want to encourage you to live purposefully, listen to the voice of God, cut off all the negativity, cut off of everybody else's opinion because it don't matter. It only matters what God says. I'm telling you, have a blessed day and live life purpose fully.